Welcome to our Home Garden Guide channel. Here is Rosa speaking. Follow me and I am your shopping guide. I will introduce you a wonderful products. It is 28-foot outdoor 40,000 BTU auto ignition propane gas fire table with waterproof cover. Let's start to introduce product related information, pictures, and more information in detail. Also welcome to go on our website 𝐟𝐢𝐫𝐞. This 40,000 BTU fire pit made entirely of metal shows the charm of industrial style, and it will definitely add vitality to any outdoor environment. Equipped with a metal cover, the fire pit can be used as a table, a PVC cover and lava rocks. The external structure is made of metal, which is strong enough to resist rain and rust. The fire pit is equipped with a PVC cover, which can better protect the fire pit. The useful specifications are, for some specification, if you cannot find from the video, please contact our sales via 𝐟𝐢𝐫𝐞 website. 1. Product type, fire pit table. 2. Fuel type, propane. 3. Adjustable flame, yes. For included, 1 PVC cover, 1 steel lid, lava rocks. 5. Product shape, rectangle. 6. Country of origin, China. 7. Location, outdoor. 8. Tabletop material, or powder. 9. Output, 40,000 BTU. 10. Material of internal combustion rack, iron. 11. Fits 20 pounds external gas tank not included. 12. Natural gas pipeline yes. 13. Filler accommodated, lava rocks/glass fire beads. About Home Garden Guide. Shop from a great collection of patio furniture and outdoor decorations at http://www.𝐟𝐢𝐫𝐞.com. Our store offers quality patio sets, tables, chairs, sofas, sectionals, decor, and more. 𝐟𝐢𝐫𝐞 is a professional store for furnitures and home improving and decoration products. It uses videos to display the highlights, functions and details which can help customers select their goods easily. For bulk orders, 𝐟𝐢𝐫𝐞 can customize according to your needs and offer special prices according to the amount. If you buy 5+ random items per order, you will get more discounts. For OEM and ODM wholesale orders, please contact the manufacturer via doloresjmonez12@gmail.com. Thank you for watching. Subscribe us to see more videos.